Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really handy new feature in Smartsheet, how to add editable text right onto your dashboards, including an awesome new last comment column type. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up dynamic, updatable project updates for your team to see at a glance without any confusion. So let's jump right in. Here we are in a sample dashboard. The first thing you want to do is focus on what's called the widget settings. Think of widgets as building blocks. They let you pull in different kinds of information and display it just the way you want. If you look for the settings or gear icon, give that a click. You'll see a plus button popping up, which is what you need to add something new to your dashboard. Go ahead and click that plus button. This is your gateway to making your dashboard more interactive and informative. After clicking that, you'll see a list of options appear. At this point, look for the option labeled Rich Text. Select it. The Rich Text widget is really great because it gives you a lot of flexibility. Picture it as a sticky note you can place anywhere on your dashboard, but way more powerful. Once you've chosen it, simply drag and drop it to wherever it makes the most sense visually. Don't worry about getting it perfect right now. You can always move or resize it later. Once it's in place, you can type directly a welcome note, project update, reminders for your team, or basically any sort of message that you want people to see and, importantly, edit later on. Now say you want to display actual data from your Smartsheet sheets, as in real-time project updates, latest comments, or status changes. Here, what you do, just like before, go back to the widget settings. This time, instead of choosing rich text, you're going to look for and select metric. The metric widget is your go-to when you want to pull information from any of your sheets right onto the dashboard. Once you select it, Smartsheet will prompt you to add data. This is where you find the information you want to share. Maybe it's the new last comment column or the latest project status. Go ahead and choose the sheet and column you want to add. For instance, if you want everyone to quickly see the latest feedback or note left on a project, select your last comment column. Once you've picked your data, hit the Add button, and you'll see it appear right there on your dashboard, automatically updating as changes happen in your sheets. You can click to edit or format the text, or add context or extra notes so your team is never left guessing. Take your time with this step. Sometimes finding just the right data or layout can take a couple of tries, but don't worry. The interface is quite forgiving and lets you easily tweak as you go. You might want to try a few different widget placements to see what looks best for your team's workflow, and that's really all there is to it. With these two simple widgets, the flexible rich text for manual updates and the metric for real-time data, you now have the power to create truly interactive, up-to-the-minute dashboards in Smartsheet. Imagine how much clearer your next team meeting will be when everyone sees updates right where they're needed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions about widgets, comments, or dashboard tricks, drop them in the comments below. I love helping you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy dashboard building.